So we're going to talk a little bit more about the fleet vehicles at AFC. So what I'm standing at this stage is a Land Cruiser single cab. We fitted it with a commercial Rhinoman canopy. We did 2 boxes for them inside the load bin. We did a LED light inside and outside on the canopy. We did 2 spare wheel carriers, fire extinguisher in the load bin, a fire extinguisher in the vehicle, and we also did a water tank inside the vehicle. So at AFC, apart from camping and hardcore 4x4 accessories, we can also cater for the tender side and fleet side of the market. So apart from doing the tender and fleet vehicles at AFC, like these that we did, we also do a lot more other accessories like nudge bars, window tinting, rubberizing, seat covers. We also do radio systems, speakers, and then we also do your more hardcore accessories like bumpers, suspensions, side steps, roof racks, and also the Rhinoman canopies. So I encourage our listeners and our viewers and all our customers to contact us for a quote today.